For which of the following discipline is Nobel Prize awarded? Answer: all of the above. Entomology is the science that studies Answer: insects. Hitler Party, which came into power in 1933, is known as Answer: Nazi Party. Fastest shorthand writer was Answer: Dr. G.D. Beast. Epsom, England is the place associated with Answer: horse racing. First human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christiaan Barnard on Louis Washkansky was conducted in Answer: 1967. How many red blood cells does the bone marrow produce every second? Answer: 2 million. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improve his health because the ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. Gulf Cooperation Council was originally formed by Answer: A. Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates. First China War was fought between Answer: China and Britain. For the Olympics and World Tournaments, the dimensions of basketball court are Answer: 28 meter by 15 meter. Federation Cup, World Cup, Allywyn International Trophy and Challenge Cup are awarded to the winners of Answer: volleyball. Each year, World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day is celebrated on Answer: May 8. Gravity setting chambers are used in industries to remove Answer: suspended particulate matter. Guwahati High Court is the judicature of Answer: all of the above. Friction can be reduced by changing from Answer: sliding to rolling. Fire temple is the place of worship of which of the following religion? Answer: Zoroastrianism, Parsi religion. Georgia, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan became the member of UNO in Answer: 1992. During World War II, when did Germany attack France? Answer 1940. The ozone layer restricts. Answer ultraviolet radiation. Eugenics is the study of. Answer altering human beings by changing their genetic components. Filaria is caused by. Answer mosquito. FRS stands for. Answer Fellow of Royal Society. Escape velocity of a rocket fired from the Earth toward the Moon is a velocity to get rid of the. Answer Earth's gravitational pull. Coral reefs in India can be found in. Answer Rameswaram. For safety, the fuse wire used in the mains for household supply of electricity must be made of metal having. Answer low melting point. Durand Cup is associated with the game of. Answer football. Headquarters of UNO are situated at. Answer New York, USA. Dr. Zakir Hussain was. Answer the first Muslim president of India. G15 is an economic grouping of. Answer third world nations. Fathometer is used to measure. Answer ocean depth. For galvanizing iron, which of the following metals is used? Answer zinc. For purifying drinking water, alum is used. Answer for coagulation of mud particles. Hockey was introduced in the Asian Games in. Answer 1958 in Tokyo. Himalayan Mountaineering Institute is at. Answer Darjeeling. East Timor, which became the 191st member of the UN, is in the continent of. Answer Asia. GNLF stands for. Answer Gorkha National Liberation Front. Excessive secretion from the pituitary gland in the children results in. Answer increased height. In which year of the First World War Germany declared war on Russia and France? Answer 1914. India has largest deposits of dash in the world. Answer Mica. ICAO stands for Answer International Civil Aviation Organization. How many Lok Sabha seats belong to Rajasthan? Answer 25. India's first satellite is named after Answer Aryabhata. India's first atomic reactor was Answer Apsara. In which year terrorists crashed two planes into New York World Trade Center on September 11 in a sequence of destruction? Answer 2001. In a normal human body, the total number of red blood cells is Answer 30 trillion. In which season do we need more fat? Answer winter. How much districts are there in Punjab? Answer 22. India participated in Olympics hockey in Answer 1928. How many teeth does a normal adult dog have? Answer 42.